Hi people, this is Fred here. Welcome to the channel. Thank you, and I'm glad that you decided to watch this video. So today I'll be showing you the tips on what I have learned when growing the corn for making silage. Here, as you can see, is the corn, yeah, and is very huge, and it has started. You see, we have been blessed this January. We have been having so much rains, and we thank God for that. So today I'm doing my second weeding. As you can see, there are a lot of weeds. I don't use herbicides. Yeah, I don't need those. I just do what natural. I want to conserve the soil as much as possible. So the tip number one that I've learned is soil is everything. Once you feed your soil well, the better, because soil will determine the plant growth, yeah, the health of the plant. And for my case, I use manure. I have a lot of manure, guys, as you can see there, but I keep it for it to dry for like 6 months, 3 months there, and I then use it when I am planting. Yeah, so I would discourage you using fresh cow dung, because it has what you call ammonia, and it destroys small plants. Yeah, and some seeds in general. So soil is the first thing. Soil fertility, you have to check it. For those who use fertilizer, you have to nowadays we don't farm just like that or traditional way. Yeah, if you have a new land and you want to plant your maize or your corn, the first thing that you need to do is you can do what you call soil testing. Yeah, you take it to a lab where they will test your soil and tell you what is lacking and what you need to add. Yeah, like we have NPK. Yeah, some will advise you to do this and that, so it is up to you. You take it to the lab, get it analyzed. Yeah, once it has been analyzed, then you I'm craving somewhere, so don't mind. This is a cow shed that I'm constructing. I'm remaining with iron sheet. That's why I've not updated the video on that. So you see, that is those are all corn. Yeah, and I'll be showing you a video when I'll be making silage. Yeah, so I've said the first thing that I've learned is concerning the soil. Soil fertility is a very big thing when it comes to when you're planting corn. The second thing is quality seeds. Yeah, quality seed, and I reiterate on that, because once you don't have quality seeds, you are not guaranteed for 100% germination. Yeah, and that's another thing that I've seen some farmer doing. Yeah, like now you see these, it is not a bad, but I don't think the quality, yeah, or the forage quantity, tonnage, will be equal when you plant quality seeds and when you just replant the seeds that you have just harvested. So quality seeds are the best. Yeah, we have different companies selling seeds, but you have to know, and then you have to know the variety of the seed that does well in your locality. Yeah, like this one, this is panal pan 14, the yellow maize. We have others, the ordinary maize. Yeah, here in we are in Highlands, we are in Nyeri County in Kenya, and we have different types of maize that does well here. So if you are in a different area, you can check, you can consult with those who are selling, and they will tell you exactly which type of seeds that you are supposed to plant. So the first point I said about the soil fertility. The second I have said about the quality seeds. And the third thing I would like to talk about is management. How do you manage your maize crops, or your corn? So the first thing that we need to do is like now for me, I have two types of weeding. We have first weeding, second weeding. Right now I'm doing second weeding, as I have shown you. And fast weeding is very very crucial. Yeah, and for those who use foliar fertilizer, it does well still. And for those who you top dress, so you are supposed to top dress once your crop has reached your knee level. The knee level, when you are starting on your knee, the crop has reached there, you are supposed to top dress. We top dress, we using what we call CAN. Yeah, or you can use foliar fertilizer. The difference between CAN and foliar fertilizer is foliar fertilizer is liquid, while CAN is just the fertilizer, those particles, yeah, that you use and you apply at the root of at the circular way at the root of the maize, while the foliar you spray on the leaves. Yeah, that's the difference between those two. So you can top dress twice or once for those who use fertilizer, but I have seen the wonders of cow manure and sheep manure or goat manure. They work wonders. Even rabbit manure, all types of manure works well. Yeah, so like you see these, they are very very greenish. Yeah, as you can see, and they are tall. Remember, right now I'm on top of a structure of a cow shed structure, so that's why you see the tips. Yeah, but I'll go down and show you how green they are. Yeah, you see like this one, it is very 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 green. Yeah, so you can do it. It's not just a matter of what I've realized is what we learned in school and what we are doing practically has far much difference in that. Yeah, so when you are doing something practically, you are seeing result, but when you are running theory, it is different. So for maize, just check for those, the soil, the soil, the fertility of the soil. Yeah, you need to take to the lab so that you can know which one you are going to, which type of nutrients are you going to add. Yeah, and the quality seeds is a must. Yeah, go with a reputable seed varieties that will do well in your locality. Another thing is management. Yeah, you have to keep on weeding. Yeah, you weed, you top dress. Yeah, and the right time or the right stage to cut the corn is when they are in their milk stage. Remember, when they are in the milk stage, we have the nutrient level, the sugar level, the energy level is very very high. That's why you are advised to ensilage or to make silage when it is at that the milky stage. Yeah, and there are some asking, should you wilt or should you wilt when you are making silage? So uh, different people will tell you this or this, but for me, I don't wilt. What I do is I don't use a lot of molasses. Actually, this time I'm not going to be using molasses. I'm just going to use silage inoculant or microbes. I'm not going to use molasses. So if the moisture content, the dry matter of these is when you cut it like fresh, is very low compared to when you wilt. Yeah. So for my case, I'm going to cut it just a day before I make silage, and I'll take you all the process of making silage, and you will see. You will see. Yeah. So take note on those, and the next planting will be coming probably on March, April there. Start, you prepare your land and practice what we call minimal tillage. As in, you don't keep on cultivating, digging your land each and every time. Yeah, the moment you do that, you are destroying the formation of the soil. And have you ever been told that when you leave a land for some times, the fertility of the soil increases? Yeah, I've seen some. I've seen around. I've done it, and I proved that. And that's why I tell you, you just practice what we call minimum tillage, as in you don't keep on digging each and every season. You dig each and every season. You dig. No, what you can do is you just dig holes or ditches, whichever that you use when you are planting, and then you plant your seed, and you let the soil formation remain the way it was. Yeah, so that is how I manage my corn. yeah, and this is far they have come, so big. And I showed you when I was digging, when I was weeding, I made a video on that. I also showed you how to intercrop corn with super K vines, that is sweet potato vines. K vines, they have high crude protein. Even this one, they have the energy level of this corn is very high, the sugar levels is very high. So let me now take you to where I did my super napier, and we see the progress of it. So this is my super napier, and I've intercropped it with yellow maize still, the corn. That one you have caviar. This is has high protein content for fodder. So this is what I was doing. Yeah, I planted super napier, as you can see there, and this one, this is the corn here, and this one is super napier. So I was digging a hole using what we call tubukiza method, and then I planted three. As you can see, they have already, and these are bigger now, you see. And then at the center, I planted the corn, and it is doing very well. You see how green they are because of manure. Yeah, because of manure. If you keep on doing this, the better. You see. So today I'm doing my second weeding. Yeah, as you can see here, and they are doing very well, you see. So they are very green. Yeah, but this one is ordinary napier grass, as you can see. Yeah, we have been blessed with rain, so this is ordinary, but I'm planning to uproot it when I have enough fodder that will last me for like a year, so that I can be prepared for uh, a new season where I'll be planting different forages in different fodders. So this is it, guys. So this one I have not weeded. Today I'm weeding on it. Yeah, as I have said, this is ordinary napier grass, and this one. So look at these. Look how green they are. Yeah, this is what we call now this super napier, and that one is corn. Yeah, you see. So guys, you can do it. Just trust the process, believe in yourself, and you can do it. You can do it. If I did it, you can too do it. And I also would like to clarify something concerning my videos. There was a comment, someone was saying that I should stop misleading farmers. I don't know how I am misleading farmers. So if you have any information, or I have misleaded you in any way, guys, I'm so sorry, and I would like you to tell me what I have misled you with, because this is a free platform where we share ideas, and I keep on telling you guys, if I have said anything that have not made you happy, or I have wronged you in any way, just comment, tell me. I've given even my number, WhatsApp number. Comments are free, you just can comment there, but this negativity is not good at all. Yeah, so someone telling me don't have a PhD to, what I do is I teach on what I do, and what I have learned. So if you have a PhD and you are not sharing, what's the need of that PhD? So for me, I humbly request, if you have any, just talk to me direct, rather than going spreading bad things. Like now, others are telling me to stop, as they are going to talk to YouTube so that they can block my account. But it's okay. If it is broke, they broke it, it's okay. For me, I just want to share ideas, and they are working. Yeah, some are working ideas, and actually most of them are working. Like now, I showed you when you are planting these. I showed you when you are planting these super napier, and I'm showing you results right now. Check that. Check that one big. Yeah, you see that one. Some my thing, some are practical and some are theory. And theory, you may not see result, but when I'm doing practical, you see the result. So, or if you are actually, if you don't want to watch my video, stop inciting others and telling them I don't have any education background. No, what we learned in school is what we learned in school, but when you come to real life, application is what is different. Yeah, the application is different. So for those, someone called Mainge on the comment, please, if you know more about dairy, create a channel. It's free to create a channel. Start educating farmers. I'll even me, I'll listen, because I learn from anybody, from those who don't know, from those who know. I listen from. I'm always a student. Yeah. So let's stop negativity and let's embrace positivity. And if you love my videos, thank you. Hope you are running one or two things, because my main aim is to share ideas and all that. So for now, I just want to thank you, and I want to add this with a positive note that you can do it. Anybody can do it. So anybody can do it. I'm just a normal human being, so, and I'm not perfect. Yeah, and not all things that I say may be correct. Yeah, we all make mistakes, but for me, I just love to share. I just want to share. Yeah, why have knowledge and then you die with it without sharing? So thank you, have a wonderful time, and see you in the next video.